was from devastation to rebirth and kind of like I don't know, a new beginning from the old book, or a new chapter from the same book.
This has been home to me since 1976, maybe. The other reason is I wanted the girls to be able to finish high school over here. They've gone all the way through from preschool, and wanted them to be able to finish school with their friends, and that was another big reason to come back. First, the devastation of losing your home, and kind of desperation of trying to find another home for your family. All that seemed to eventually come together, and we're pretty fortunate to be able to do that. When the opportunity came along to purchase this house, we looked at the fact that it was only 4 months old at the time of the flood, and felt that it would be, or I felt that it would be an easier place to rebuild than it would be our old home. So we moved forward with that. Made the decision to retire. Had the opportunity to retire from my job, and took this on as my new full-time job. And that's what it became, because I was here pretty much every day, working on the house, and kind of enjoy that type of work anyway. And so it was rewarding to come back here and to try and build a nice home for your family.
You know, so now it feels like we're home. To me, anyway. Feels like home.